Hey buddies, it's me, TT. Today we are celebrating Hanukkah, the Jewish festival of lights, and so we are going to make a Star of David ornament. My ornament is blue with gold and silver polka dots, but you can put your own unique spin on it. So let's get started. Let's take 6 wooden craft sticks as well as a hot glue gun. So make sure you have a grown-up there to help out with the hot gluing. Let's begin by making 2 triangles out of our craft sticks. Take your hot glue gun and take 3 craft sticks. Put 2 little blobs of glue at the end of one of the sticks. Place 1 craft stick on one end, the other craft stick on the other end, and now put a little blob of glue where those 2 other craft sticks meet, and secure them together. The nice thing about hot glue is that it dries super quickly, so our triangle is already finished. Let's repeat the process one more time. 1 blob of glue here, 1 blob of glue here, 1 craft stick down, 2 craft sticks down, and 1 more little blob of glue, thus completing our triangle. And now let's take our 2 triangles and attach them together in the traditional Star of David format. Line up your triangles where you want them to go, and then place little blobs of hot glue where the triangle will overlap with the other triangle. Now lay the triangle over the top and press it down firmly. This creates the Star of David shape. The next step is to paint it. So I'm going to use this bright blue paint to cover it up on all sides. Take your paint and a paintbrush and simply cover the entire ornament with paint. I like to paint the top, bottom, and even the edges of my ornament just to give it a really nice uniform appearance. Once you've got the top side painted, flip it over and paint the back. I like to paint both sides so it looks good from all angles. Now that our ornament is painted, it's time to decorate it. So for that I have some gold and silver glitter glue. I think I'm gonna decorate this with some polka dots. I'm gonna put a silver dot at the end of every point of my star. I love using glitter glue because you don't need any brushes. You can just squeeze it right out of the tube. And I'm gonna put another silver polka dot at the places where the triangles intersect. If you don't have glitter glue, feel free to decorate with regular paints. And don't feel like you have to decorate yours exactly the way I decorate mine. Just have fun with it. Now I'm going to use some of my gold, and I think I'm going to put little gold polka dots in between all of my silver ones. And there you go. I think my Star of David ornament is finished. Once your ornament is dry, you can tie some string around it so that you can hang it up. I'm using some matching blue thread, but you could also use yarn or fishing line. Cut a length of string and loop it around one of the ends of your star. Now make a knot in it. And once you've done that, cut off the extra ends of your string. And now your ornament is ready to be hung up anywhere you like in your house. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a good time making your own Star of David ornaments for Hanukkah. I hope you have a wonderful Hanukkah celebration, and I'll see you again soon. And happy creating!